Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to be back. If you are new here, my name is Christina and this is Christina Couture. I have not been on this channel in over a year. Crazy. But today we're gonna be doing some baking soda nails. I live in a van now. Might be a little getting used to because your girl is working with 70 square feet. I literally live in a van traveling the United States with my husband. We have been having a ball and just enjoying life. And that's a little update. Pretty soon I'll be moving on to a boat. I know, your girl's crazy. My husband's crazy. We're both crazy, but we have just been enjoying life, you guys. Today I was like, I want to do some nails. I want to pick up my nail stuff and I want to do some nails. I have all my baking soda nail stuff here and we're gonna do some nails today. Y'all, I got the baking soda, I got the goods, okay? I got the baking soda, I got the nail glue, and we're gonna make it happen today. My husband is out doing some work and I'm really excited to just sit down with my girls, do some nails, and stay on a budget. So in today's video, we're doing $5 nails. Can we stay in budget or can we not? I don't know, you tell me. Anyways, let's get into it. Let's get into the most important part about doing nails, and that is your prep. You want to make sure you are prepping your nails correctly. This can cause multiple things to happen if you do not prep them correctly. And that is, one, let's get into it. We're going to have lifting. We're going to have greenies and fungus, or even nails popping off with 1 or 2 days, not even, maximum maybe even a couple hours. So we always want to make sure we're prepping our nails right. My favorite nail files from the Dollar Tree is the diamond nail file, and I tend to gravitate towards this because doing these nail hacks tends to bend the nail files and make them not good after 1 or 2 uses. And this one, I can use them a couple of times depending on what I am doing and what type of nail hack I am doing. This is also my favorite because it does have a rough side and it also has a fine side where it's not so rough on your hands or your nails. And I really like that because, baby, I love options when it comes to the Dollar Tree, and this is one that gives that to us. Now, I'm not going to be showing the whole process of the cuticles because not a lot of people feel comfortable with it. I'm going to be cutting my cuticles. If you do not feel comfortable, please do not do this. It is not mandatory. I just like a nice clean look, but it is all up to you. The nail tips and the nail glue used in this video as well is from the Dollar Tree, and these are my favorite nail tips to use for the nail hacks. They are only $1.25. Back in the day, they were $1, and I'm very surprised that now they're so expensive. But still, all in all, we can afford to have our nails done for only $5 because the nail glue, the nail tips, the nail file, that's only about what, $3.75. Yes, add it to the cart because that is what I like. Even the nail polishes, the nail top coat, and all of the jewels that I'll be using in today's video is from the Dollar Tree. And I'm really excited because this is something that I've been showing you guys for many years. It doesn't take a lot for you to do your nails. It just takes practice. In with one of the best nail hacks ever, okay, is baking soda. Now, a lot of you guys say that it burns, it this, it that. Now, I do want to say that I have noticed the reason why that could be happening, and I actually tried it when the AC was off and it was really hot, and it tended to burn my nail beds. But then when I tried it with the AC on, it does not. So I was very surprised. But let's get into the actual way that I do this. As you can see, I am starting from the free edge, which is the end of the nail tip, going up to the cuticle. And the reason why I do that is because I want to build an apex. Without an apex, you're going to get splitting down the middle and the nails aren't going to last. I'm also dipping and I'm going to file the nail halfway through. And the reason why I do this is because if I wait till I'm completely done, the nail is going to look a hot mess. But the reason why I do this is because if I start to file, then I won't lose the structure of the nail and I can just hurry up and get the nails done once I'm completely finished. So you just pick your battles, and that is just my battle to choose to pick. And I just love halfway doing the nail and then going in filing, doing the rest of the nail and then filing again. And it takes up a little bit more time, but honestly, it's the easiest way to just not have baking soda and nail glue everywhere all over your nails. And I just love that milky white color. I love how it looks. I would wear this all by itself with some jewels. I think that'll be like my next set or something like that. I don't know yet. I'm still coming up with different things. But this is my first time getting back into doing nails again after taking so long off. And it feels so good to just be back. I've been getting so much inspiration just being out here traveling the world with my husband and living in the van and seeing new things and doing new things. And I have so much inspiration, so many colors in my mind, the ocean, the springs, the grass, the valleys, the florals, like it's just absolutely insane. Once you are done applying the baking soda, you can go in and start filing your nails. Make sure you get around that cuticle, because another reason why your nails can lift is because you aren't sealing the cuticles. Water's getting in, food is getting in, bacteria is getting in. And you don't want that to happen. You want to make sure you are sealing those cuticles. Now, I have said over and over again in a lot of my videos that I do not use a nail drill. And the reason why I don't use a nail drill is because I don't want to take off too much product, because this isn't actual acrylic. Even with actual acrylic, if you are filing your nails too much with the nail drill, guess what can happen? You can take off all the product and not even notice it. And with baking soda, it is so delicate and kind of light. It feels like acrylic, but it still has that delicacy where it's a little bit more delicate than acrylic, and a drill would just take it right off. I have had that happen multiple times and I've learned my lesson. Hand filing is the best way to do it. Now, all these jewels, I did get them from Dollar Tree. Besides the bows, I was going to use the bows because I got them off of TikTok and they were only like 93 cents off of TikTok. So don't sleep on TikTok. Don't sleep on Amazon, because you can get things for super cheap. Also, try local beauty supply stores around you. A lot of them have nail things, and I'm talking about they'll have jewels and like pendants and things for maybe 50 cents to $1. It would even be cheaper than the actual Dollar Tree. So don't sleep on them. And right here, I'm going in with these polishes. I got these from the Dollar Tree as well. That is the mirror effect, and then the other one is the holographic effect. And I wanted something with like blue and pink and purple mixed together. I don't know why I was feeling that, but I did. I wanted like flowers, and I did exactly that. So I loved the way the design came out, especially for getting back into nails and just doing the things that I wanted to do and feel that day. And yeah, I hope you guys just enjoyed hanging out with me today and enjoyed doing some nails. Don't sleep on baking soda nails, because I promise you, they are worth it. we are done adding our jewels and stuff, I'm going to go in with top coat. You guys already know this is my favorite top coat. It's getting a little bit bad, so I'm going to have to go and stock up at the dollar store. And this one is one of the best. It has like that gel feel, but it looks like gel. It's just amazing. It's chef's kiss, honestly. They really did their big one when they made this top coat, and it is one of my favorites. So I'm gonna have to go stock up because it's getting a little bit thick, and your girl don't like it thick, okay? And this does not need a nail lamp, which is really nice, but it does need like 20 minutes to dry. So baby, make sure you got a book ready or something, or a TV show, because you're gonna be waiting for a very long time. Is it my favorite? Absolutely. Do you gotta wait? Absolutely. Now going in, I'm just going to add some cuticle oil as well, and I got that from Dollar Tree. Also, like I said, everything is from the Dollar Tree. You can get it just as much as I can, and once we're done, we're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this with a friend so she can do her nails as well. And yeah, see you guys soon.
DJ done set, we day alright. Body done form, not to play all night and dance. Baba, we day alright. Loud that tune and I see my fresh white. My pockets on large. Every man post for the corner all light. One man thing, now somebody fight. Real man thing,